Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to download and install SHAREit in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to install SHAREit on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To download and install the SHAREit app on mobile, first of all, open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the search bar. Now, type SHAREit in the search bar and search for it. From the search results, find the app developed by Smart Media For You Technology. Now, tap on the install button if you are using Android, or get if you are using an iPhone. Wait for the installation process to complete. It may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the SHAREit app. Now, you have successfully downloaded and installed the SHAREit app on your mobile device and can start sharing files easily.